नमस्कार बंधु भगिनींनो, नमस्ते दोस्तों. Hi to everyone. Welcome back to my channel Hina की पाठशाला. Today we are going to learn or we are going to see phonics sounds. So friends, let's start with letter M. Phonic sound of letter M is M. 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 तो चलिए कुछ एग्जाम्पल्स देखते हैं. M. M. Mouse. M. M. Mat. M. M. Moon. These were the examples of phonic sound of letter M. So let's repeat it. M, M, moon. M, M, mat. M, M, mouse. So friends, phonic sound of letter M is M. 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 So friends, next letter is N. Phonic sound of letter N is N. N, N. Let's see the examples. N, N, net. N, N, nest. N, N, notebook. These were the examples of phonic sound of letter N. Let's repeat it. N, N, net. N, N, nest. N, N, notebook. So, the phonic sound of letter N is N. N.